Hello and welcome to week 6 of Teams and Virtual Teams. This is a different week where we are going to, instead of spending time hearing from me, you're going to be spending time with some classmates. Going through and doing a virtual team exercise. There's some readings to start the week, so kind of be mindful of those. Some goals with the team exercise are to really take a lot of what we've learned so far in group dynamics, team foundations, and see how those play out practically in the virtual setting. So you're going to meet virtually as a team and go through some exercises together. There's going to be a paper associated with this. Previous years I've had the team exercise and the paper all due in the same module. And that has been a challenge. And so rather focus this week on doing the team exercise, maybe get started on your paper, but then the paper is going to be due at the end of Module 7. So you've got a little bit more time to flesh out that paper as you move through the material. So I hope that all is helpful for you. If you have questions about the group assignment, please reach out and let me know. But I look forward to seeing what y'all come up with. The team leaders have been given instructions, so they should be up and running and contacting you and moving from there. So make it a great week, and I'll look forward to hearing from y'all soon. Bye.